Welcome to 95 Wards Road, literally a stone throw from Rolleston, and as you can see, the long driveway gives you plenty of privacy. We're going to check out the commercial shed, which is something to behold, potentially the jewel in the crown, and the very homely brick bungalow. Wards Road has that privacy factor. It's got the potential for the commercial business here, and now we're talking about the brick bungalow. Now it's a little cracker. 4 bedrooms, multiple heat sources, phenomenal little office as well. Come on, let's have a look. Well, as promised, potentially the jewel in the crown is this massive commercial side shed. As you can see, the compressed road metal greets us like a carpet. A fantastic workspace, but look, come and have a look for yourself. Phenomenal space. Great property, 95 Wards Road, handy to Rolleston, got the potential to run a business out of the property, the 4.5 hectares, well fenced, native trees, lovely garden as you can see. Look forward to seeing you at the open homes.